If members of set P are 3, 4, 5, 6, members of set Q are 5, 6, 7, 8, and members of set R are 2, 3, 7, 9, which of the following represents the set P intersection Q union R? This is a multiple choice question, and so we are going to solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to find P intersection Q union R. Let's begin by finding Q union R. To get Q union R, we will put the members of Q and R together. When we put the members of Q and R together, we are going to have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the members of Q union R are 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can now find P intersection Q union R. P intersection Q union R will be the members in set P that are also in set Q union R. The members in set P are 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are looking for the members in this set 3, 4, 5, 6 that are also in this set 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the members that are both in set P and set Q union R are 3, 5, 6. We have 3 here, we have 3 here, we have 5 here, we have 5 here, and we have 6 here, we have 6 here. So members in set P intersection Q union R are 3, 5, 6. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.